Hello again folks, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech. I've got a very quick video for you today. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. This just arrived, so it's the new Ampero One from HoTone, I believe it's pronounced. Some people might say HoTone. I've had this on order just over a week. I've had to wait for it. It's finally arrived this morning. I've not used one of these before, and I'm just going to show you the unit today. I'm not going to be doing any sound examples. I'll do that in a follow-up video, and I'll try and get that up for next week for you. But there it is. That's the box. It's quite a bit smaller than I thought it would have been actually, but that's fine because I want to maybe keep this on the desktop. Just going to be using it for recording. So this is the smaller version of the Ampero, its larger brother, which has a few more extra outputs on it. That's the power, and it also has an extra button on it, the Ampero. So this is a really small unit, would fit nicely on a pedal board. So if you wanted to go out and work without an amp, you could just take this out. So there's the unit. First impressions are, feels very solidly built. Non-latching switches, which I really like that. Just two dials for going through the presets and changing things in the menu. So I'm going to spend some time with this over the next week, listen at the presets, have a go at programming a couple of my own presets. But there it is, it's the Ampero One from HoTone, and all we've got, just let me put my glasses on so I can see what we've got on the back. So on this we've got two outputs, left and right, an input, another input for a second expression pedal. It already has this little expression pedal here built in, but you can add a second one. And then it has a headphone output and an auxiliary input, so you can plug something like an MP3 player or something in there and listen to tracks while you're learning them. But yeah, it feels very solidly built. I can't wait to have a listen at the presets. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have time to do that today, so it's going to have to wait. But I'll try to get another video up, letting you listen to it as quickly as I can, hopefully by next week. I've just spotted as well, which I forgot about, it's also got a USB, so you can use this straight into your audio interface for recording. And I believe there's some software, I could be wrong about that, but usually these things have software that you can download from the manufacturer to make programming them a little bit easier. But yeah, first impressions, very good. That would fit nicely on a medium-sized pedal board. And this thing's got a ton of effects built into it, over 200 effects and about 60 amp models and 60 cabs and microphones and all sorts. The reviews I've already seen of it are pretty good. I have heard some sounds from it, and it does sound pretty good, so I'm really excited to have a listen at it for myself and have a play with it. But that's the video for today. I just wanted to do that quick unboxing. As ever, keep yourself safe in the lockdown, and hopefully I'll be back next week, let you have a listen at this unit. Thanks for watching. That's all from me today. Bye for now. Well, thanks again for watching the channel, and if you do like this kind of content, please do like, comment, share, and remember, subscribe to the channel. That helps me out. If you do subscribe, remember, click the little bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. But thank you all again.